to Adom TV so be dwonju media so dia wo kan se hu sempa esa ken no pen suja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie crutch bakope the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messim Kunya Elcon Quantum Coordinates Maudo esa ken no pen so e Ghana gudim ejao she no soma me se nwuma kun emiensa omna bom ska dwetire men no pe den common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the intasimo which is trying before. We didn't before trying to come be didn't come aside manum. Catch a bus for now for 4 years. My fast for nanum. Ukrumon on for nice to be a fan of Jim. And our boys do Mujima, none of the brunye, Umudini Bassa, Mamma for your financial freedom, and it so. More than the upper bet, yeah, a 1xbet. Then we bet do when you bet in a call. I dream betting she with 3 betting a boom. And in now they are doing a credit and start to winning moving with train. And found NG bet him, we national, Nasa upper bet, yeah, a 1xbet. Omo, and a teacher boy man and a person, didn't come on Etiaba. Sasha no Swami said, Jiffas Mr. Dritty, infections netted till gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet, and asudi poor, a dray, a boy proper, around the bomb or within Chiniche. And I know Quesela no Pabesha dance here was them. Si only Jiffas can save, but more than that, some sabiting a beating a boy, or herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in them. We sabiting a can Jiffas Mr. Waiting at talk now bomb or pomodon some sweating a kuye at your mouth. Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. I catch on that so resting messitia. For a pampa so copy monasino, ya would be a pain out to be to assist home. Now, bomb and near 22 year the mouth for the shaman me market and a fit man so. And you now hokra, obit your friend paying for I was sedimo gel and roll on for a catch it. So to be a cotton as I talk now, Odia Hono 020819129 now on a sedimo gel and roll on. And Kumo. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step. Piensha CFF EPL matches out with Fensato Fem now Chebi, Now go with Fensa Punian Kwalago, now go Nefepa, Bonia Koma, Eresana Boon, Isibai.
There is Manaf. That's an awesome goal. Magnificent strike from Abdul Manaf Umar. He saw the goalkeeper off his line and he took the chance, but the ball from Gaddafi was good. Just look at Manaf, sees the ball bounce and he goes for it, and he goes for it. Here is Esso, good drive. That is just over the bar for a goal kick. And Otanga gives it away. Here is Dankwa. Here is Dankwa. And he fails to score the second. But that was a glorious chance, Dankwa. Over elaboration on his part, it could have been 2-0 for RTU. It was Otanga who gifted Dankwa.
Inti niaba no e wo sana niama esi ekoso e wo House of Football ntwa mudie e weekend yi mu na Slavko Mantic House of Football coach panyipa after the game ne nkoma one central for boom punyupu no wodi jai ni.
It wasn't easy to adapt on this pitch. This weather is a little different than Accra, but we start first 50 minutes, too much risk on defense. We lose a lot of balls. After that, we start to play like we must. We create 3-4 chances, very good chances. We didn't score a goal. Second half, we start good. We have 2-3 chances. 1-1 against nobody. From 2 meters, we didn't score. Normally, team go a little down. And on the end, they punish you with this amazing goal.
Another draw for your side. And this is not the mark of a team that wants to become champion.
It's not easy. A lot of games. Continue to work hard.
That's a defeat, I'm sorry.
Yes,
it's a defeat.
I understand. Yeah. Yes, it's not easy. Other clubs also losing games. We must use when they lose. We must use with points. Today, fortunately, we lose. We are punished for our mistakes.
When I'm Kroma about Slavko Mantic wa ne se utimi says Slavko Mantic nyama ku ya fama at you coach friend say baba no hu ono na grab on 3 points in our case ni be hwe ni je enye asem keto akra.
It all boils down to what I do at the training grounds. Before a match against us, I told you I don't do any special training because I'm going to play against us. We have a program that we follow. And I've been telling people that even though we started late, but they should wait. When we pick up, definitely every team is a beatable team. And this is how come that now we are on top. Any team that we are facing, we don't care about whoever we are facing. because Haas is a big team. The name Haas is a big team.
How special is that Manaf goal?
Very special because let me just put it that he was rejected by Hasselhoff, and then we took him with our 2 hands.
Enti nearby no I was in an MIC course so after the other results it means to Go Stars 2, Karela 0, Adriana Stars 2, Instrataman 0, Great Olympus 1, Dreams 1, Blekum Chelsea 1, Bechem United 0, Mediama Sporting Club 2, Samate 0, Legon City 3, Ken Faisa 1, Namia Adom na ehum ene ham bia ntwemu a ne kotoko enso etun sada frɛ Accra Lions nkanjata na omode atentam so we so na megina na mede ne enso esoma me beso me ene maso dan bisi o kensim no etime sidia ma o hye no soma me say Jeffas Health Limited e Jeffas edo setahwe na anetachi and afi 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa Sedimo gel and roll on your campaign relieving gel dia no ana ebo ama manfo a edi yaw na nei womo ene yawdi etu kwanta apai womo dia da sam sabitia ka bebitia boa emaniama atutu yedia ma madama womne tachiri bo mena no pensu den komon ebreo me so esu die minya wansansa se na eja na koja wonkonkon de man sa pepe na major sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment de Ghana hade obi en ho betimi ne sister yi etimi abo empunimpu se bibi na opedi a obetimi edi amount e entertainment mitimi sew ka kire busuafo na fofo yire ne oma wo fasefo nyina se sister Sandy be a guy edin koma akodo aka wachin eba uti edwumadi a enama wo hyi bobo ahyi kaneshi agbumulo hyi feda ba ka kopembo meka dan soma da akoma kofodi asunsan okidebodu asman kese bi mamponte fa de kitikrachi kopim so adu winiba ka so akonyanya no atimpuko so jaman akoso mu ene ne hye so ga kopeda bala hohoi ekochitu adidome edwe ne kire kwando konkoko bomi obo nkwatia edwe ne kire bepon twam efa kokko na do mahina tan e wodo mahinkru kobrekum kobechim na afi bu aketem kodo ya nkanta afi tua kopiem kodivoa ya mosukrom amafo hwehwe no enya asem keto kamedusia na mado wase bebre ba sister Sandy be a guy and eba mdin de prof Ike wala sagude kache mashabaranke